Hi, I'm Kenneth Nicolas, 19 years old, currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation at Our Lady of Fatima University in Manila, Valenzuela, Philippines. As someone deeply passionate about the maritime world, I've always been fascinated by the endless possibilities of our water presence. Now I'd like to share with you my ideas about floating restaurant. Since Philippines is surrounded by different bodies of water, so the idea is to operate a restaurant on boat or floating platform, offering scenic views and the unique dining atmosphere and experience. This will offer a dim cruises, sunset dinners, or a fun team bonding with friends and family. That's 1 minute. Thank you for watching.